Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is second part of Specimen paper 2025. This was paper 1, right? So this is basically for core students. So I am reminding you guys that this is without calculator. You are not allowed to use calculator in this. So another thing, you will have formula sheet in the first page that you can use. I will show you wherever we are using the formula from the sheet. So first question that we have here, 14th question, we have here the diagram shows a parallelogram and a trapezium. So here is a parallelogram and the trapezium. The parallelogram and trapezium joined along a common side. ABCD is a straight line. ABC, this is ABC is a straight line. Find the value of x. So we are looking for value of x. So as you see, we have this kind of line here, right? It's this F shape. So these two angles are called corresponding angles and they are equal. So we are going to write down here. So x is equal to 100 degrees because they are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Right? 2 marks question if you are writing two things there. Okay, now find the value of y, give the geometrical reason for your answer. Where is y? Y is here. You see this is y here, and then the reason. Now if you see here, these two lines are parallel. See this line and this line is parallel as you are given this. So this x and y, they are like this. Let me show you. Sorry, not the. So if we have two parallel lines like this and these two angles, they form a C shape like this. You see this is a C shapes and these are co-interior angles. So x plus y. So x we have just got it, like x is 100. So if x is 100, then these two angles are not equal. Like then if this is x and this is y, what is happening? If this angle is x and this is y, then x plus y equals to 180. So these are the co-interior angles, right? So then we will have here y as x plus y, it will be like 100 plus y is equal to 180 and y is equal to 80. 180 minus 100, that is 80. So we are going to write down, we got y here 80, then we can write down here because they are co-interior angles, right? So I have already shown like how it works. You can show that working also here. Now find the value of the z. So z we have here, if you see, so once we got this is 80 now, and this is 2 times y, that is 80 times 2 is 160. So this is angle around a point, right? So sum of all these angles is going to be 360. So angle around a point is 360. So we will write down here 80 plus 160 plus z equals to 360. So 180 plus this is 240 plus z equals to 360. And then z is 360 minus 240, that is 120 degrees, right? Now next, number 15, we have complete the table of values for y equals to 30 over x. Now again I am reminding you, no calculator. So x is 4, y is this. So whatever is x we are dividing. So 30 divided by negative 3, it is 10. Then 30 divided by negative 2, it will be negative 15, right? Then this is negative 30. So here this just goes like with opposite sign. All the numbers are going to be same like this, right? So now on the grid, this is 3 marks, right? So do calculations carefully. Don't lose these kind of free marks. On the grid, draw the graph of this. We have the table of values here, and then we can easily plot this on the number line, right? So now on the grid, right? 4, when it is x negative 4, y negative 7.5. So x4 y negative, this is 0 point, there are 10 squares, so in the middle there will be negative 5 and 7.5 is going to be somewhere here in the middle, right. Then x3 negative 10, x3 y is negative 10, then x2 y, x negative 2 y is negative 15, which will be here, and then x is 1, y is 30, x negative 1, y is 30. So now join these lines, these points freehand, sorry, they should look like a curve, guys, sorry, I am not getting it properly, like this, right. So another way you can see, there is a this part is shaded, so you can see this is a blue line here, so then this is going to be another part of the graph. So x is 1, y is 30, x1 y 30, x2 y 15, x3 y 10, x4 y 7.5, right. Then you join these ones, a freehand curve like this. Okay, so this is done, and this was 4 marks, easy. Now write down the order of rotational symmetry. So this kind of graph is always having order of symmetry as 2. So on the grid, draw the line y equals to 25. So let me see, where is y 25? So y equals to 25. So 25 is here, you see. So you just draw a line like this. Use your ruler, please, and it should be a bold line, not dotted line. I am not able to draw it nicely, so I am just drawing it. So this is y equals to 25, right. Now the next question, let's see what do we have. We have used the graph to solve. So now this is y, this is the graph, and this is 25. So y 25. So we will see where do they intersect. So they intersect. My answer may be different, guys. This is the curve, and because it doesn't intersect anywhere on the other part, so it intersecting only here. So this is approximately 1 point what do you call, this is 1.5, so it may be 1.20, 1.15 or 1.25. My answer is coming different, so it may be, so yours will be exact graph, so you are going to get exact value, right. So the trapezium shows, the diagram shows a trapezium. The area of the trapezium is 60 centimeter. Find the value of h. As you know, the formula of area of trapezium, what is the formula? And it's given into your formula sheet above there. This is a plus b times h. So a half, a is a and b are the parallel lines. So this is a and this is b, right. A is 12 and b is 8 and times h, we don't know what is h, and this value is equal to 60. So now this is going to be 1/2 times 12 plus 8 is 20 times h equals to 60. Just reminding you again, no calculators. So h is equal to 60/10, that is 6. So value of h is 6, right. Centimeters are already written there, so no need to write down centimeters. Now number 17, we have the triangular, the diagram shows a triangular prism, one of the on the 1 centimeter grid, complete the net. Okay, so as you can see in this, we have two triangles, one triangle here, one triangle here is at the back side. So there are two triangles and there are three rectangles, right, rectangles on the top and down there and this one. Okay, so one triangle has been drawn here, so similar triangle is going to be congruent to this 3, and then I will put here 3 squares this side like this, and so we got 3 faces and there are 2 triangles. As you can see, there is a 3 number of squares here, so we will have 3 squares this side for the rectangle also, because it is going to cover, these two are going to join each other, right, like this. So we got 2 triangles and we still left with the one more rectangle. So as there are 4 squares, we will have 4 squares here too. So just join it with your ruler. like this, right? So this is the required net. Work out the volume of the triangular prism. So volume of the triangular prism is going to be area of cross section, area of cross section times length. Let me show you if we have this formula here. Let's see. Volume of the prism, volume of prism, where is it? Surface area, here, volume of the prism. Cross sectional area A times length, AL. A is a cross section. Now see, they have given this formula also in as a tricky thing here. So volume of the cross section. Now cross section is the two parallel faces which are same. So as you can see, we have these two parallel, the triangle. So here the cross section is a triangle, and so area of the triangle, as you know, is going to be the area of triangle, that is half times base, and base is 4 times 3 times length. Length is 6. So this is area of cross section times 6. So this is the length, this is the longer one, and base of the triangle is 4 and height is 4. So this is 4 and this is 3 and this length is 6, right? So now just calculate this one. 2 times 2 is 4. Now 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Now 36. Now you see there is a gap here. See, be careful. This is 36 and we need to write down the unit, that is 33 centimeter cube. 36 centimeter cube is the final answer, right? Number 18, find the fraction that is exactly halfway. So we are going to do half of this. It is like 2 over 5 plus 4 over 7, right? And half of this we are just going to multiply half over here. So this is half, and then if you take the LCM, this is 35. So multiply here by 7. I mean, like, let's make this another color. Let's use this one. We want to make the denominator same. 5 times 7 times 7 above. Here 7 times 5, 7 times 5, right? So then this is going to be same. 7 times 2 is 14, 4 times 5 is 25, right? So then we have 1 over 2 times 34 over 35. So 2 times this is 17, so 17 over 35 is the final answer, right? Now work out 3. We have given here the, what do you call this one, mixed fraction. So this is going to be like 3, 2 over 3 minus 1, 2 over 5. So how do you break this? So this is going to go like this, clockwise. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. So this is going to be 11 over 3 minus 5 times 1, 5 plus 2, it is 7 over 5, right? So then we have here 15. Okay, so again making denominator the same. So we are going to multiply them. Now you know, I can just write here 3 times 5, 11 times 5. So 5 times 3, 7 times 3. So 11 times 5 is 55 minus 21. So this is 34 over 15. So now break it again to the mixed fraction. As you have the answer in mixed fraction, mostly, you know, the clue is like whatever form your question is, your answer is and it should be in the same form. So this is 2, 4 over 15. Now number 19, work out. So see, multiplication is simple, don't carry zeros everywhere. So 4 times 7 is 28. Then there are 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Writing in standard form. To write in standard form, the decimal is now here. We are moving 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is 2.8 10 raised to power 5, right? Remember to write your answer in the space provided for you guys, right? Now number 20, the diagram shows a solid cone with radius of 4 centimeter. The total surface area of the cone is 56 pi centimeter. Work out the length and the slope of sloping edge of the cone, right? So we are finding this one. So now total surface area is pi RL. Pi RL is the area of the curved surface, and then pi r square, area of the base, which is the circle here, right? So now total surface area we are given 56 pi, right? So we have pi, and r radius is 4, and slant height we don't know, and pi, then again r is 4 and the square. So if you see here, pi is common, right? When I take pi common, so I am left with inside 4l plus 4 times 4, it is 16, right? So this pi is there, this pi and pi gets cancelled. Because you don't have the calculator, so try to simplify. Don't put the value of pi here 3.14 or any other value, just take it pi, and pi will get cancelled, right? So 56 minus 16, shifting 16 on other side, we have just shifted 16, so this is 40 equals to 4l divide by 4 divide by 4, so we got L as 10, right? So value of L is 10, right? Now expand and simplify. Now y is going to multiply throughout, that is y squared, then y times 5, that is 5y. Now 6 is going to multiply throughout the bracket, negative 6y minus 30. So this is y squared minus y minus 30. So this is y squared minus y minus 30. Okay. Now number 22, find the value of v. We will use the exponent rule here. So as you know that the rule, when we have base same, you see here base is same, x and x, and the powers are different, so it will be, we are going to add the powers. So 8 power 3 plus b, and on other side we have 8 power 12. So now base is the same, so equating the power, 3 plus b equals to 12, and then b is going to be 12 minus 3, which is 9. Now this one here is, I am rewriting here, 8x power 5 y power 4 over divided by 2x power minus 7 y power 3. So this is 4, 2 times 4, so x power 5. So when there is a division, we subtract the power. So here it is 5 minus 7, and y is 4 minus 3. What I mean by, if we have x power n divided by x power n, then we subtract the powers, right? When it is plus multiply, here we add the powers, when division we subtract the powers. So this is 4 power 5, 4 power 5, what? No, 4 power 5. This is a mistake I have made here. There is no power of 4. So this is 4 x power 7 plus 5, it is 12, and y 4 minus 3, it's 1. So final answer is 4x power 12 and y, right? Number 23, a triangle ABC is mathematical similar to triangle FGH. These two triangles are similar, right? So when the triangles are similar, so that means the ratio of their sides is same. Work out the value of x. So x and corresponding side here is 8, x over 8, and corresponding side to 3 here is 12. So 3 over 12. Remember that if you write in one side, like x, I have written x is the side of the smaller triangle, 8 is the bigger side. So here also in numerator we will take the smaller side over the bigger side. So x is 3 over 12 times 8, right? So 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 2 is 8. So x is 2. So x is going to be 2. Centimeter already written, so there is no need to write on the centimeter. Now 24, this is the last question, guys. I hope you understood each and every question. Thank you so much for your support, those who have subscribed to the channel, and those are new to the channel, kindly subscribe and share it with your friends and whoever requires. So I will wait for your feedback in the comment section. So kindly comment there how do you like the paper, and any other paper that you want me to do, I will do for you guys. So just write it there. Okay, so in this question all measurements are in centimeters. The diagram is a quadrilateral, right? Write down the perimeter of the quadrilateral is 26 centimeter. Now what is perimeter? Perimeter is length all around the side. So it is sum of all sides, right? So sum of all sides, I will start with one by one. It is 2x minus 1 plus, then we have 2x plus 1, then plus x plus 6 plus 3x equals to 26, right? So now 2x, 2 to 4, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 it is 8x. So 8x, then this is negative 1 and 1, it is cancelled. 6, we are left with 6 here, equals to 26. So 8x is equal to 26 minus 6, that is 20. Okay, and then x is 20 over 8. So this is 10 over 4, and then divide by 2 again, it is 5 over 2. So the same answer, simplified answer is 5 over 2, or you can write down 2.5. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you guys getting benefit of these videos. Thank you so much guys. Be blessed. See you in the next video.